What if you could unlock the secret to making your business virtually unstoppable by combining the unparalleled potential of Web3 and AI? But 99% of entrepreneurs and businesses are still completely in the dark about how to do it. This is not just about staying ahead of the curve. It's about being part of the revolution that's changing the face of technology and business as we know it. In this episode, we're going to delve into the uncharted territory of Web3 and AI integration, exploring how these two powerhouse technologies can be harnessed together for unprecedented growth and efficiency. From the basics of what Web3 and AI entail, to the top tools and strategies for integrating them into your business model, we're going to cover it all. But first, let's set the stage by understanding why this integration is so critical for the future of business and technology.
Let's dive deeper into the world of Web3 and AI. Web3, the third generation of the Internet, is all about decentralization, blockchain technology, and the creation of decentralized applications, dApps. It's about giving users control over their data and privacy, and enabling them to interact with the Internet in a more secure, transparent, and democratic way. AI, on the other hand, is about creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans, solving complex problems and making decisions based on vast amounts of data. When we integrate Web3 and AI, we create a synergy that can revolutionize industries and transform the way businesses operate. For instance, AI can be used to analyze the vast amounts of data on the blockchain, providing insights that can inform decision-making and drive innovation. Moreover, Web3's decentralized nature can provide a secure and transparent environment for AI systems to operate, free from the risks of centralized control and data manipulation.
However, with great power comes great controversy. The integration of Web3 and AI also raises important questions about governance, ethics, and the potential risks of unchecked technological advancement. As we move towards a more decentralized and automated future, how do we ensure that these technologies serve humanity's best interests? What are the implications of creating autonomous systems that can make decisions without human oversight? And how do we prevent the misuse of these technologies? These are critical questions that we need to address as we embark on this journey of integrating Web3 and AI. The future of our businesses, our societies, and our planet depends on our ability to navigate these complexities and ensure that technology is harnessed for the greater good.
Looking ahead to the future, the impact of Web3 and AI integration is going to be profound. We're talking about a future where businesses are more efficient, more transparent, and more secure. A future where AI-powered dApps can provide services that were previously unimaginable, from personalized healthcare to intelligent financial management. But to get there, we need to start building the foundations now. We need to invest in education and research to develop the skills and knowledge required to harness the potential of Web3 and AI. We need to create regulatory frameworks that support innovation while protecting consumers and preventing misuse. And we need to ensure that the benefits of these technologies are shared by all to create a more equitable and just society.
So what's the next step for you? How can you start harnessing the power of Web3 and AI for your business or personal projects? The first step is to start learning. Dive into the world of Web3 and AI. Explore the tools and technologies available, and start experimenting with how you can apply them to your specific needs. Join communities and forums where you can connect with others who are on the same journey, share knowledge, and learn from their experiences. And most importantly, stay curious and keep an open mind. The future of Web3 and AI is unfolding rapidly, and the opportunities are endless. So, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights, tutorials, and news on the latest advancements in Web3 and AI. Let's unlock the future together.